Wahua Karithi has finally commented on the matter between her and DJ Mark D. Now she has commented after one very popular site irehaga mohoro kule mwena wa Facebook gukoro igikiuria a Kenya na arumiriri ayo kai gwathire atia what happened to this couple. Na hau niho Wahua Karithi akorirwo akiyumiria na gukoro agikiaria no mbere yo tukirora how it has been in Kimende today as the 3 people who passed away in the Kimende landslide were being buried today. Kundu makuma na kieha maithori ona nginya angi makiremoma kwiyomia na gutigo makiringika thutha wa gukorwo makiona mĩĩrĩ ya endwa ao ona nginya mathiko-ini kuma kieha na maithori aikari family na arata othe makiyumiria na njira nene muno to bid their final goodbyes to these 3 gentlemen aria manio marahurukire in this terrible landslide na ona nginya mĩĩrĩ yao igikinyio kuria mathiko megutafanagio. It was still a very sad moment. It was a joint burial ceremony, othe makihurukio muthenya umwe na in one occasion, and it's a huge loss kuri aikari a Kimende, Kiambu County. Pole sana to all the families. May God grant the 3 gentlemen eternal rest. Na riu tukirora Ndeto Wahua Karithi akorirwo agicokia kuria Nyeri Mohoro News Hub makorirwo makiingira nenda-ini yao na gukorwo makiuria what happened to this couple na makirekereria this very beautiful photo ya Wahua Karithi na DJ Mark D aria gwa kahinda mafans makoretwo speculate na kuona ta makorirwo agutigana na Wahua Karithi ni kwakorirwo akiyumiria and reacted to this photo. Wa mbere akiuria aya nia Wahua akiuria who are they, ibu mwenye anajua atupatie chai. No thutha ucio arumiriri ake aingi makorwo makiyumiria na gukorwo magikimuria kai gwathire atia na akorwo agutheria ndeto ino. No Wahua niakorirwo agicokia ringi na gukiuga mucene wi cama reke tuheyo. Na thutha ucio murumiriri ungi wake agikorwo akiuga ati hahaha ata mimi ningetaka kuwajua who are they. Na to this Wahua acokio ringi na gukiuga ukijua uniambie sweetie. Wahua akiuga onake ndaramenya aya nia aya marorio ati what happened to this couple. No oho agikiuga mucene wi cama andu nimendete muno gukorwo makimenya what is happening in other people's lives. No agikiuga reke andu maheyo mucene. Still Wahua akirega gutheria ndeto ino igie Kena DJ Mark. Na ndugakiriganirwo gu subscribe for the latest and trending Kikuyu celebrity news.